The View Premium 4K TV series brings high-end technology such as Dolby Vision HDR to an extremely affordable sub 30,000 rupee price point. Is this the best budget Android TV in India right now? Let's find out. But before we go forward, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified every time we post a new video. The View Premium 4K TV range is available in 3 sizes, and you can see the prices on screen right now. The power cord is non-detachable and most ports and sockets face to the left of the screen. It has 3 HDMI and 2 USB ports apart from a 3.5mm audio out and most other ports that you will need. It's best to connect all cables before wall mounting this device because many ports are hard to reach. The TV's remote keeps the focus on the direction pad and Android TV navigation buttons. The remote looks good and works well, but we did miss dedicated playback keys. The View Premium 4K TV runs on Android TV 9 Pie, which is the current version of the platform. It has the stock Android launcher and popular apps such as Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and Hotstar, which are pre-installed on the TV. All the software and connectivity based features of the View Premium 4K TV worked as expected. The TV is quick to wake from standby and doesn't need to boot up fully every time it's turned on, like some other Android TV devices. The full list of settings is accessible through the Android TV home screen, but a limited set that includes picture and sound settings can be accessed while content is playing from any source. We did notice some issues with performance when using an HDMI device for HDR10 content. On our Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, content was either too dull or completely whitewashed. Colors also occasionally look strange with non-HDR content, and we generally preferred using the Android TV interface for its lack of picture issues. We do hope that a software update will fix this. With 4K Dolby Vision content, colors and moderate motion were handled well by the TV, and the picture was reasonably bright and fairly sharp. Black levels were not great, and we did see a grey tinge across the screen in dark scenes. This wasn't as bad with Dolby Vision content, but full HD and HD content highlighted this grey tinge particularly strongly. Bright scenes played out beautifully on the View Premium 4K TV and were a joy to watch. With regular SDR 4K content, the View Premium 4K TV retained sharpness and detail, but we did notice some issues with rapid motion and brightness wasn't as impressive as we'd have liked even at this price level. Switching to full HD and HD content, the picture was sharp thanks to good upscaling by the TV, but colors were a bit too punchy and motion was too jittery for our liking. Even with all motion processing switched off, the TV didn't render proper motion blur in shots with fast motion. With standard definition content, the TV faltered just a bit. It does a good job with upscaling and sharpness was good, but colors and brightness were a tad artificially boosted, and motion issues meant that there were a few too many artifacts in quick moving scenes. The View Premium 4K TV has average speakers. It did get suitably loud and was clear enough even at high volumes, but it's not as good as the front firing speakers you get with the slightly more expensive View Cinema TV range. With the View Premium 4K TV, the company continues to offer excellent value for money. For 31,999 rupees, the 55-inch version of this television offers specifications and features we'd normally expect to see in TVs that cost twice as much. It isn't without its issues, but we were impressed with it for the most part. If you rely on streaming services for most of your viewing, the View Premium 4K TV won't let you down. Dolby Vision content naturally brings out the best in this TV, but it does an acceptable job even with lower resolutions. As with most big screen televisions, standard definition is its only weak point, so that's something to consider if you spend much of your time watching standard definition DTH or cable TV content. That's it for our review of the View Premium 4K TV. If you enjoyed this review, head on over to Gadgets 360 for more.